Many web applications use multi-factor authentication. ZeroThreat is designed to handle even the most complex authentication mechanisms, including two-factor authentication, CAPTCHA tests, single sign-on, and more. It captures the necessary authentication data during recording, enabling it to perform the required scan. To begin, click on Scan the Target and select the target application you want to scan. Next, go to the Scan method and under Authenticated Scan, click on the Start New Authenticated Scan button. This will launch your target web application in a new tab, along with the ZeroThreat Recorder extension. You can minimize the recorder window, but keep it open during the entire process. Now, click on Active User Session Authentication, MFA, button. Next you'll see two options, Full Scan or Scan Recorded Pages and Action. A full scan covers the entire web application, while a recorded pages scan only includes the pages you visited during recording. For this tutorial, let's select Full Scan. After clicking the Start Recording button, the ZeroThreat Recorder will capture all your actions. Use the required authentication method, such as Google Login or any other SSO mechanisms, and complete any additional authentication steps like OTP or CAPTCHA. After logging in, navigate through 1 to 2 authenticated pages. The recorder will track these interactions. Once done, click Stop Recording. Next, select the scanning server you'd like to use and click Start Scan to initiate the MFA scan. Make sure to stay logged into the target application account throughout the scanning process. Once the scan begins, you can monitor its progress and view the results in the Scans section of the ZeroThreat portal. That's it. You've now learned how to perform an authenticated scan on MFA-enabled applications.